Okay, so I see people making masks out of socks, so I'm gonna try it. So I found just a random sock. It's clean. I'm not trying to cut up a new sock, so that's why you see all those little linties there. I ain't cutting up a new sock. I ain't got time for that. So I'm gonna cut right here. See if this works. Then looks like the next cut that they do is like by the heel. So I'm gonna cut by the heel all the way. See that? It's like right above the heel there. And then they do something where they just like do, it's not even a halfway cut, it's little less than a halfway cut, like a little slit for your ears. So I'm just gonna do a little slit here. Like that much. See that? That much, okay? Try that on the other side. Like I said, these socks are clean. They're just not new. I'm not trying to cut up no new socks. And then to, I guess, filter a towel in there. So we're gonna fold this up, fold it up. So you got some paper towel. And I'm just gonna slide it in there. All right. So some of my paper towel sticking out a little bit, but that's okay. I'll just fold it in so it can stay in there. Yep. Just like that. I'll fold in the other side a little bit just so it could stay in and not stick out. So there we go. Our paper towel is in there. See that? And it's like folded, double folded. Okay. So now, try this bad boy on. Oh, I think I gotta do it like this, yeah. Put it over my ears. And look at it. It's covering my nose and my mouth. And it's real tight. It's real snug too. See?